Guys, parcel आयो parcel. S24 Ultra. अनलाइनबाट बुक गरेको we buy online no?
Yes.
Just receive it guys हैन अनि अब ओपन गरेर हेर्छौँ कस्तो हुन्छ अस्ति what's the date I forget.
This is today 4.
4 no 5
No, 5.
we received 5
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Today.
Samsung S24 Ultra guys.
You show it. Dream phone of Umesh Taman. Mr. Yabu.
Like the packing.
Be careful.
Very expensive.
Almost 2 months already.
Yes.
Good.
Right like this. Oh. My goodness. Huh?
Here also. Already.
No, that one. Oh. La. Ready? My goodness. Oh my god, here also. Dun. Oh, Galaxy, Jet Galaxy, Samsung. KFC? Oh, charger. Oh,
Yes.
S24 Ultra.
Yeah.
What color is it?
Blue.
And open.
Where?
Where?
Open.
Where? Here?
I think both sides. Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Yay! This is the moment.
Very cool. This ice. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Nothing more. Where is the
Case I think inside.
Pencil.
Yeah, pencil here.
the cards, warranty cards, and pin. Oh. Tata Kebo.
Where is the case? Case
No
not
case?
included?
I got it. No,
Case.
no casing, no case.
Bye.
Cover and case, right?